Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well and welcome to the complete course of Mastercam. So this course consists of 7 modules and it will be almost around 7 to 8 hour video series. So let's get started. So the first question in our mind is about the Mastercam. Mastercam is a computer-aided manufacturing software. Technically, it's considered as a CAD/CAM software, since it has a full suite of design functionality as well as manufacturing functionality. In Mastercam, you either design your product or you can import it from another CAD system. Importing designs from other design systems is common, as manufacturing facilities are often asked to manufacture parts that were designed by someone else or other organizations. Just like a friend might email you a file and ask you to print it for them. So companies will send out their CAD files to get machined. Once you have imported the design into Mastercam, you use various tools in the software to program it and eventually generate G-code to run on your CNC machines. So get to know about the course outline. As you know that we have 7 modules in this video series. So we have different contents over here. So let me show you the contents here. So module number 1 is all about the Mastercam introduction and interface. So we'll talk about the Mastercam introduction, Mastercam user interface, and CAD tools and designs. But before introduction, let me tell you that we're going to download a free version of Mastercam from official site of Mastercam. And also we're going to install the Mastercam software in our systems. So let's talk about the second module, which is all about the 2D design and toolpaths. So we're going to create 2D sketches and geometry, introduction to toolpath and chaining manager, milling depth cuts, milling lead in and outs, milling multipasses, milling additional parameters such as toolpaths, tool, holders, tools, and some toolpaths. If these are facing, pocket, slot, contour, drilling, model chamfer toolpaths. So all these are regarded with the 2D designs and toolpaths. So third module is all about the general design. So we'll discuss design parameters, design overview, line tools, alternative methods of geometry creation, levels and creating circular geometry, intro to solids, solid extrude, additional solid features, fillets and chamfer, and in the last we're gonna prepare the 3D model using all these tools. Okay? So the next module is all about the chaining and toolpath parameters. So we're going to discuss about the chaining basics, chaining options, basic toolpath workflow, toolpath type, tools, holders, general cutting parameters, and linking parameters. And we'll talk about the multi-axis toolpaths in the fifth module, which is very important for those who are going to learn about the multi-axis. Okay? So introduction to multi-axis 3+1, which is also known as 4-axis, and 3+2 rotary positioning curve, which is also known as 5th axis rotatory positioning curves. Swarf and swarf milling, automatic roughing, multi-axis pocketing, and advanced applications, all related with the multi-axis toolpaths. So the sixth module is all about the Mastercam simulator and code expert. We're going to introduction of the Mastercam simulator overview, Mastercam verify and verify adjustments, posting, and at the last we're going to study about Mastercam code experts. We'll get to know about the G codes and some basic editing in G codes. The seventh module is all about the projects and application. So we're going to learn about what we have studied in all the 6 modules. Okay, we're going to apply it in the real world. So real-world applications of Mastercam in industries, we're going to make some complex design and make some G-codes practices in the real world. So best practices and tips for the efficient Joes. So this is what we are going to learn in these 7 modules, and hopefully these 7 modules will help you in future. So thank you very much.